Boom! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, and by the end of this day, I'm trying to make my daily, which is undercard V6 a little bit nicer than how it came. If you can look behind me, I have some wheels. Those are just some generic Enkei J10s, and I am going to get them on the car to make it a little bit nicer than how it is. So stay tuned. So I picked up this undercard some time ago, and I've been doing some work on it to make it somewhat drivable. And if you can look right here, it came with some steel wheel, and it's an eyesore to me. And already put brand new tires on, and I grabbed some wheels to put on. So I had these wheels for a couple months, maybe 5 months, but work has been having me on the road longer than how I want to be on the road. And I got home early, and I decided that I'm going to see if I can get them on the car to make it look better. So these are just some Enkei J10, and yeah, I also got lug. In all honesty, these are my first set of wheels. I am not the type of person that really give that much care about how the car look, as long as the car drive good. But those steel wheels, as I said, they're not cutting it. So along with the steel wheels, I'm going to put the Enkei on it, and I also got some lug nuts and up-centric. These are 73.1 to 64.1, which is the up-centric size for the undercard. And I also grab a set of valve stem for it. I don't think these are expensive or whatever or the best, but as I said, it's just to get those steel wheel off of the car. So I'm gonna just head to Discount Tire and see if I can get it done. So we're pulling up to Discount Tire, and I'm gonna check in and see if they can get it done. They didn't make an appointment. As I said earlier, I was at work and I got home early. I don't normally get home during the week, so yeah, let's see if they have some availability. Cars. Got checked in, but they're saying the wait time is gonna be like 2 hours. So I'm gonna head back to the house, and they normally take your cell number and they'll text you when the car is ready. So I'm gonna just head home and just wait instead of sitting. So yeah, just gonna head back to the house. So they got the wheels installed on the car with the new valve stem and the lug nuts, but unfortunately one of the wheels got chipped and bent right here. So I was home and they called me and said that the wheel was bent, but this morning when I took them out the box and inspect it, none of them were bent, and it's just a cheap set of wheels. And although I told the manager it's okay, he said he's going to replace it, so I should just wait for the replacement. But overall it makes the car look way different and all of that, and yeah, it's just some wheels. So the next thing that I have to do on this car is I have a set of Godspeed Mono SS coilover, I have a dash cam, I have a head unit, a double din head unit, and also I have a sound system, like a basic sound system that I want to put in the car. And then that's all I'll do to this car. As I said, it's like a daily, so it's not meant to go fast, you know, it's just to go and get parts and drive around when I kind of get tired of driving the manual. So yeah, so that's a car and that's it for this video. If you like the video in any way, shape or form, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. So until then, peace out.